Happy Thanksgiving week! I'm gonna push the video that I had scheduled for this week to next week. I thought it would be better if I gave you a little mini rabbit hole that you can go down after your busy Thanksgiving week, and you can sit back and relax and enjoy some great documentaries and some inspiration to carry you through till the next week. I just got back from the grocery store. I'm hosting Thanksgiving this year, and I went to go get ingredients for this carrot recipe that I always make for Thanksgiving. I will leave that also in the description if you're interested in it. It's really good, and you have time. It's only Tuesday if you want to make it, because it's super easy and it's delicious, really good. It does have goat cheese in it, so if you don't like goat cheese, you could still just make it and leave it out. I have done it that way. It's wonderful. I go to the grocery store. I am also on drink duty, so I have 1,000 cans of Coke and Diet Coke and sweet tea, all the things. And I forgot my reusable bags, so I have also 150 small, tiny bags with me, right? I load it up, I get in my vehicle, and I look around. It's not my car. It's not my vehicle. I have loaded everything in someone else's car. What is going on? I don't even know. I don't know. I guess I'm preoccupied. But I had to get out of my car, go get another basket, and load all the things and take it to my car. Crazy. And all I could think was, this is on video. I don't even know. Anyway, so that happened. And also last night, I'm cleaning the windows because I'm, freshening things up. And I look out the window and I'm like, what is that white stuff in the yard? And it's standing in water. Yeah, cue Cousin Eddie. It happened. Thank goodness it didn't happen on Thanksgiving. But what a mess. We had the plumber come last night and it is fixed. The yard still has toilet paper in it, but that is gonna have to be Paul's job. I can't do that. I just cannot. All right, let's get to the good stuff. I have so many good things for you to watch, and I'm so excited to share these with you. The first one I actually watched about a year ago, and it is so good. You are gonna love Jill's work. Her son actually filmed this documentary. He must be a filmmaker because it is very professionally done and cinematic and all the things. And it starts off and she's in this huge olive tree and she's harvesting all these olives, and she takes some to get them pressed, and that's her olive oil for the whole year that she uses. But she harvests her own olive oil. It was beautiful. I was so inspired by that. Actually, I went and bought an olive tree. Mine does not look like that. And then the other thing, she has this huge palette. It's as big as hers, big as her. And she has all her oil paint all over this palette. And she talks about how her mom passed away when she was very young, and her father sent her to this camp, which kind of starts her on this journey of loving painting and this mountain that inspires her. And her father gives her a Paul Cézanne book, and it just sparks something in her, and she takes you on her journey of being a painter, and it's a great inspiring video. The footage of the landscape in it alone is worth watching. I have my notes. The other video that I ran across is, have you ever wondered what Edvard Munch had on his dinner plate?
Salmon with cucumber salad, asparagus, and Norwegian milkringe. In the kitchen garden, potatoes, cabbage, rhubarb, and other vegetables were cultivated. All of these ended up on Munch's dinner table.
When I think of Munch, I think of the Scream video, the Scream painting where he's at the bridge, but after watching this video, I kind of went down my own rabbit hole, and he really did some beautiful, beautiful work. But in this documentary, he talks about the food and his garden and what he's painting, and it's a lot of still lifes. And I honestly had no idea that he, like I said, I just associate the Scream with him. So that one is a good one. The third one is just a quirky, fun little video. It's a child prodigy, and she started painting when she was like 2 years old. And her father takes her to the zoo, and she starts painting in public, and she paints these animals. And I think she probably is about 5 in this video. It is a quick video, but just watching this child paint in this calligraphy, like ink, wash and ink, is pretty incredible. So there's that one. And how to start a chaos garden. Yes, please, let's do that. I saw the title of that video and I was like, why, yes, I do want to start a chaos garden. It will match my chaos life. It sounds perfect. How do we do this? It seems like it would be very difficult when she shows you the end result, but how she does it is perfect for me, because you basically are throwing out seeds, and now is about the time, well, in my zone, I think I'm zone 7, that you would do that. And you know, I'm trying to fill that little patch in my yard. Oh my gosh, you know, with the events that happened last night, now might be the time. Number 4 or 5. I ran across this article, and the title of it was "Psychologists Reveal the Real Reason You Are Drawn to Antiques." I am drawn to antiques. I always have been. So I clicked on it just to find out the real reason I'm drawn to antiques. If you're drawn to antiques, you should read it. It might surprise you. It kind of surprised me. So that's just an article, but I thought it was worth putting in there. I'm going to leave you with the last one, and it's Joe Humphreys, and he is 86 years old. I would have never clicked on this video, but what happened was I woke up in the middle of the night and I just turned the TV on, and it happened to be on, and I got hooked, and I started watching it until the end, but I never got to see the beginning, so I Googled it, and it is actually on YouTube, the full documentary. So you save this video until you have a good hour. I think it's an hour and a half long. Get you a cup of coffee and sit back and just enjoy it. It is fabulous. Like I said, I would have never clicked on this video because it is fly fishing, but it's more than fly fishing. He does so much for his community and his spirit and his energy and what he does for everyone, and the whole town loves him. And one more thing, I have been working on these little tags to put on my table, little nameplate tags. I have a lot of little nieces and nephews that are coming over, and I'm doing these. They're made out of cardboard, and I'm going to show you those. I think they're fun, and I think you have time to do it if you've got grandkids coming over. Easy, and I will show you how I'm doing that. I've just taken some cardboard and I have just sewed the front and the back. You could use an Amazon box or anything that you have. I have a whole box of this cardboard that I find easy to cut, so I will put a link to that if you want it for later. I'm just using markers to color in my figures, but you could paint if you prefer. I'm just doing the easy solution because these are just quick and they're just supposed to be for fun. Now I'm just going to set these all around my table and the kids can decide who's who. I hope this gives you so much to look at and enjoy and relax during your Thanksgiving holiday, and I